California Condor is North America's largest flying bird, with an epic wingspan of nearly 10 feet. They have a unique look, black feathers, and a bald head that changes color from yellow to reddish-orange. They mainly live in parts of California, Arizona, and Mexico. By the 1980s, there were only 27 condors left in the world. Due to significant conservation efforts, including a large-scale breeding program, the population of these birds has now grown to over 500. About half of them have been reintroduced into the wild.